UAV operators from the 217th Regiment identified and neutralized a temporary deployment site of Ukrainian forces in the Sumy direction. After conducting aerial reconnaissance and confirming the location, the drone team carried out a precise operation against the site. The engagement disrupted enemy presence in the area and reduced their ability to operate and reposition, highlighting the continued use of unmanned systems to locate and strike temporary military infrastructure under ongoing surveillance. An assault group from the 32nd Separate Mechanized Brigade was operating without a unified standard of equipment, resulting in a mixed and inconsistent loadout. An opposing group consisting of 3 personnel was detected and neutralized by a UAV team from the Mad Dogs Brigade unit. Two enemy infantrymen attempted to take cover in a confined area to avoid detection by an FPV drone. The drone operator identified both individuals despite their efforts to conceal themselves. Objective footage documents the impact of a guided rocket strike carried out by a Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system against a temporary deployment site of Ukrainian forces in the settlement of Krasnopilya, Sumy region. The strike was conducted using precision-guided munitions, with aerial observation providing confirmation of target coordinates and post-strike assessment. The recorded imagery shows the accuracy of the engagement and the effectiveness of long-range rocket artillery in targeting temporary military infrastructure. Yesterday afternoon and evening, Air Force and missile units conducted a highly intense strike operation in Donbass. Russian Geran UAVs maintained continuous aerial presence, providing persistent surveillance and support for ongoing operations. Russian drone pilots from the Siberian Association conducted coordinated operations using FPV drones to engage a range of Ukrainian targets. These operations focused on countering Ukrainian drones, targeting fortified positions such as bunkers, and neutralizing other operational assets identified through reconnaissance. The precise location of these operations remains undisclosed, but the footage and reports highlight the increasing role of unmanned aerial systems in modern battlefield engagements. The pilots employed advanced maneuvering and targeting techniques, demonstrating both the tactical flexibility of FPV drones and their effectiveness in precision strikes against a variety of enemy positions while maintaining continuous aerial surveillance. An enemy 120mm mortar position was identified and subsequently neutralized by an FPV drone team operating as part of the Southern Group of Forces. Following reconnaissance and confirmation of the target's location, the drone operators carried out a precise engagement, rendering the mortar system inoperable. The operation disrupted enemy fire support capabilities in the area and demonstrated the effective use of unmanned systems to locate and disable key artillery assets under battlefield conditions. This is something that hardly needs commentary, as any words would only detract from what is shown. UAV teams of the Mad Dogs Brigade disable enemy evacuation vehicles and disrupt the movement of personnel from the 32nd Separate Mechanized Brigade in the Pokrovsk direction. December 1, 2025. Russian units report flushing enemy fighters from a concealed hideout, forcing them into the open and taking them prisoner. The operation demonstrated effective coordination between reconnaissance and assault elements, ensuring control over the position and neutralizing resistance without allowing escape. Don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments. Subscribe and like. Russian forces near the scene called on the Ukrainian soldiers to surrender. The smart men used their heads and surrendered. GoPro footage captured by a Russian stormtrooper near Kupiansk reveals Ukrainian soldiers from the 116th Separate Mechanized Brigade taking cover in a cellar during a frontline sweep. The video, recorded during a close-quarters reconnaissance mission, underscores the precision and coordination of Russian tactical units operating in contested zones. As the stormtrooper team advanced through the area, They identified signs of recent movement and quickly located the concealed Ukrainian personnel. The footage not only documents the encounter, but also highlights the effectiveness of Russian surveillance and ground-clearing operations, maintaining pressure on enemy positions and ensuring constant monitoring of hostile activity. Russian soldiers are countering Ukrainian FPV drones in the Pskivsk area, engaging them at close range using standard infantry weapons such as rifles. UAV operators from the 14th Guard Spetsnaz Brigade of the East Group conducted a targeted operation against a Ukrainian self-propelled artillery system positioned at a firing site. After identifying the location through aerial reconnaissance, precision strikes were carried out, resulting in the system being neutralized. The footage demonstrates the effective use of unmanned aerial platforms in detecting and suppressing artillery assets, underscoring the ongoing focus on counter-battery actions and the disruption of enemy fire support capabilities. In Kharkov Oblast, a Ukrainian forces ammunition storage site was struck during an operation in the area of Katovka. Special forces from the North Group identified the location of the facility through reconnaissance, after which FPV drones were deployed to engage the site. As a result of the strike, the ammunition depot was effectively neutralized. During the same operation, a concealed M113 armored personnel carrier position nearby was detected and subsequently rendered inoperable. The footage highlights coordinated reconnaissance and precision drone usage aimed at disrupting logistical assets and armored support in the area. They identified and neutralized Ukrainian armed forces personnel hiding in residential buildings in the Urava area. This is further proof that they are hiding among civilians in residential areas. All buildings where Ukrainian forces were hiding were destroyed by powerful explosions. December 1, 2025. Soldiers from the 3005th Artillery Brigade of the 5th Army and the 14th Special Forces Brigade of the Vosto Military Group worked together to locate and destroy a D-30 artillery piece belonging to the Ukrainian armed forces in the direction of July Pole. December 1, 2025. The enemy continues its attempts to resupply the garrison in Stenoherk under cover of fog. The 247th Regiment's Guard paratroopers destroyed another enemy armored vehicle belonging to the Ukrainian Armed Forces, a Dutch YPR 765 armored personnel carrier, using a fiber-optic FPV drone.